Hi, I'm Dr. Jitesh Sehgal, a creator of Smile. I've been practicing dentistry for the past 22 years. Even my wife, Dr. Abhilasha Bhatia, is a dentist by profession. We went together to have a look at the MG ZS EV and we test drove various other vehicles before we test drove this particular one. And after having experienced the drive quality, the comfort, I was very sure that I'm going to be purchasing this one. I have a long list of reasons why I switched to an electric vehicle, especially MG ZS EV. But the major pointers were environmental benefits, the silent engine, cost savings, and above all, great performance. I was really very surprised and grateful to receive my personal attention from the senior employees at MG who ensured that we had a breezy experience from the get-go. They even convinced our society, RWA, to put up an electric charging point for easy charging. My wife was too particular about the luxury of interiors of the vehicle, and guess what? She chose the MG ZS EV in her first sight. Even the maintenance and service cost is very low. If you want to take the pressure off and need a vehicle that benefits your pocket and environment, then MG ZS EV is for you. Driving in sports mode is my favorite thing to do, and the deacceleration makes it even favorable in KERS level 3. I simply have to take my foot off the accelerator and the speed reduces with a good amount of power regeneration back into the battery. Our ZS EV is the real smile maker because it has given us so many reasons to smile.